Hey, welcome to this step-by-step guide on setting up Google Ads for your local business. Whether you're a beginner or looking to boost your marketing efforts, Google Ads can help you reach more customers in your area. Today, I'll walk you through each step to get your ads up and running, even if you've never done it before. Step 1. Set up a Google Ads account. First, head over to ads.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have one, create a Google account. Once you're signed in, click Start Now, and you'll be guided through the account setup process. Select your time zone and currency, and boom, you've got your Google Ads account ready. Step 2. Define your campaign goal. Now it's time to create your first campaign. Click on the plus icon to create a new campaign. Google Ads will ask you what your main advertising goal is. Choose something like get more calls, get more website traffic, or get more visits to your physical store. For a local business, you'll likely want to focus on either calls or store visits. Pick the one that aligns with your business goal. Step 3. Set up location targeting. This is the most important part for local businesses. You want your ads to show up to people who are actually near you. In the location settings, select Enter another location and type in your city, zip code, or even a radius around your business address. This way, you'll ensure that only people within a specific distance can see your ads. Step 4. Define your budget. Now let's talk money. You can set a daily budget for your campaign, which is the amount you're willing to spend each day. Google Ads will recommend a budget, but you can always start small. For example, you could start with $5 or $10 a day and scale up as you see results. Remember, Google won't charge you more than your budget, so it's risk-free to start small and adjust as you go. Step 5. Create your ad. Here's where the magic happens. Writing your ad. You want to craft a message that's clear, engaging, and speaks to your local audience. Google Ads will guide you through this process. Headline: make it catchy. For example, best plumber in your city. Call now. Description: here's where you highlight your offers or services. Mention things like same-day service, free consultation, or 10% off for first-time customers. Call to action, CTA. Make sure your ad tells people what to do next, like call now, book online, or visit us today. You can also add extensions, such as a phone number, location, or links to specific pages on your website. Step 6. Choose keywords. Keywords are crucial in determining when your ad will show up. Google Ads allows you to select specific keywords that people are searching for in your area. For example, if you run a pizza restaurant, keywords like pizza near me, best pizza in city name, or order pizza delivery would be relevant. Google will help by suggesting keywords based on your business, but you can also customize these based on what your customers typically search for. Remember to include location-specific keywords to attract local customers. Step 7. Set up bidding strategy. Next, you'll choose how you want to bid for clicks or conversions. For local businesses, I recommend starting with an automated bidding strategy like maximize clicks or maximize conversions. This allows Google to optimize your bids automatically to get the most clicks within your budget. Step 8. Review and launch. Before you hit that publish button, review everything: your targeting, ad copy, budget, and keywords. Make sure it all aligns with your goals. Once you're happy, hit publish, and your ad will go live. Remember, it might take a few hours for your ad to get approved by Google, but after that, you're good to go. And that's it. You've just set up your first Google Ads campaign for your local business. Once your campaign is live, you can monitor it from your dashboard, track your performance, and make adjustments as needed. I hope this guide was helpful in getting you started with Google Ads. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments or reach out. Let's crush it together.